In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data from a PDF into Power BI. By the end, you'll know the quickest path to bring a PDF file into Power BI Desktop so you can start analyzing it right away. Before we begin, make sure your PDF is saved somewhere easy to find on your computer and that Power BI Desktop is open. We'll start on the Home tab in Power BI. Look toward the top ribbon for the Get Data button. It has a small drop-down arrow next to it. Click that drop-down. This ensures you're not just using the default quick options, but opening up the full range of available data sources. From that drop-down, choose More. This opens a window that lists all the connectors Power BI can use to bring in data. It's a long list, and that's why using More is helpful. It gives you the complete set rather than a short list of favorites. You'll see categories down the left, and a search field at the top to narrow things down. In the search field, type PDF. The list will instantly filter so you don't have to scroll. When you see PDF in the results, click it to select it. If it doesn't appear right away, make sure you typed PDF correctly. Capitalization isn't important. Selecting PDF tells Power BI that you want to connect directly to a file in that format and extract structured data from it. Next, browse your computer for the PDF you want to import. A standard file picker will open, so navigate to the folder where your file is stored, select the PDF, and confirm. If you're not sure where it is, check your Downloads or Documents folder, or search by file name. It's a good idea to use clear file names and keep your PDFs organized by project so you can locate them quickly. Once you confirm your choice, Power BI will begin processing the file. Depending on the size and complexity of the PDF, this can take a moment. If the PDF is very large or heavily formatted, be patient while Power BI reads it. After the import completes, your data is available inside Power BI, ready for you to work with. That's all there is to it. Use the Get Data drop-down on the Home tab, click More to access the full connector list, search for PDF and select it, then browse to your file and import. Keep your PDFs accessible, use the search to find the connector quickly, and you'll be set to bring your PDF data into Power BI whenever you need it.